Today we are gonna solve the problem of the day for 24th January. Actually, I have given a try of this problem, but I don't know why it is not solving. I will go and check. Till then, let me explain you the problem and a solution which I have read. So this is a simple problem. It's a medium type of problem, and topics are DFS, BFS, graph, topological search. Okay. So problem is, we have given a graph, right? So graph is like that, and in this is a directed graph in which 0 is connected with 1 and 2. 0 has a edge with 1 and 2. 1 is connected with 2 and 3. 2 is connected with 5. 3 is connected with 0. 4 is connected with 5. 5 is connected with nothing. 6 is connected with nothing. And there are two type of nodes, right? There is a terminal node in which this is the terminal node because this is terminating the connections, right? There is no out degree, there is no output here. This is the terminal node. And a safe node. Safe node means any node whose all the paths, right, is going to the terminal nodes, right? Let's see 0. So 0 has a path with 1, then 1 has a path with 2, and 2 has a path with 5. So yeah, this is a connection which is safe, but 1 has also a path with 3, and 3 has a path with 0. So this makes a cycle, right? That means all the paths from 0 is not compulsorily compulsorily ended on a terminal node. So that means if there is any cycle present in a graph, so all the nodes in a cycle are not safe node compulsorily. So if there are present multiple cycles in a graph, you have to detect the cycles and remove those nodes, and the remaining node will be the safe node. That was my approach. What I was doing is I was creating a DFS function, and to detect a cycle, right, what I was doing is, let's say I'm at node 2, right? If length of graph node is 0, that means that node is a terminal node, so I will return false. False means this is not a cyclic node, right? Then I will I will add the stack. I will add it in a stack. That means we are currently in that path, right? I am creating a boolean bool cycle false. Bool cycle means if so the DFS, what DFS will return? DFS will return that is this node is a part of any cyclic node, right? That is what DFS will do. So bool cycle means currently this node is in the path of cyclic node, and I will traverse through all the neighbors of the node, which is like 3's neighbor is, so let's say I am at 1, 1's neighbor is 2 and 3. Then if neighbor is not visited yet, I will mark them visited and visit them. And if they are not a part of cyclic node, if they are part of a cyclic node, I will say that my current node is also part of cyclic node, right? If they are visited, like this is visited, yeah, right? But this is also in a stack because this is also in the path right now. So if it is a case, or else there is a case in which, let's say 4 is a cyclic node. So or we are ending at something which is a cyclic, that means we are currently in a cyclic path or cyclic node, right? So if the current node is a cyclic node, we will mark them in cycle node, right? In cycle array, right? And we will remove our node from the stack. That's it. That's it we have to do.
एक बात बता,
हाँ सर,
कब फ्री होगा?
थोड़ी देर में होता हूँ सर, अभी थोड़ी देर में होता हूँ, 10 मिनट बाद.
हाँ ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. मैं एक्चुअली बोल रहा हूँ, चलो फिर डू इट. सी या बाय.
Meet it. So that is what I was doing, but I'm not sure why it is giving wrong answer. That's why I went to a solution which is a topological sort of a solution, right? So what he's doing is he will make a mm, he will make a so let's forget about this. Let's listen to me. What he's doing is he is marking all the nodes which is terminal nodes right now, right? So 5 and 6 are terminal nodes, so he will remove those nodes, and also the connection connect all the connection going towards these nodes, right? So 4 has a connection with 5 and 2 has a connection with 5, so we will remove these connections also. So now 2 and 4 become terminal node, so we will remove them also. Now 0, 1 and 3, these do not have any, so all these have a outgoing connection, right? So that means these three nodes are not connecting nodes, so we will say that these are not a safe nodes. That is this is the only thing we need to do. But for this, what we have to do is we have to make a another graph using previous graph, in which we have to what he is doing is that means we have to make a graph that 5 is connected with 2 and 4, so that we can remove those connections, right? So what he's doing is he is making a 2D array R, and for I for he's visiting the graph, first graph, given graph, and he's saying that let's we are at 2, right? So it is I is become 2 and we will become 5, right? So R of 5, so R of 5 will, so we it is making connection with that 5 is connected with 2, so he's making reverse connections, right? And out degree array, which is nothing but the number of nodes which is connected with 2 right now, so it is 1 now. So let's code this out in a similar manner. So let's make a graph. Reverse is nothing but a graph of, okay, we have out degree is equals to nothing, also we have n is equals to length of graph 0 into n. Okay, safe is equals to false into n. The answer is this, and we will make q, right, for I in range n for ये करता हूँ मैं, आता हूँ मैं 1 मिनट।
आपको जरूरत नहीं,
ठीक है,
कुछ है भी नहीं, कोई बाहर है भी नहीं आज।
2 मिनट।
हाँ ठीक है, लगा रहे, काम नहीं है वैसे, खाने 1:30 बजे चलेंगे।
ठीक ठीक, ओके, fucking graph I, okay, what we'll do is we will so let's say we have a temp array which is nothing, okay, in graph I, so if so it is something like this to n, okay, and r k dot append I, right? So this is a reverse connections which we have to do. Now out degree I is equals to length of graph I. Okay, if out degree I equals to 0, if out degree I is equals to 0, that means we have to work on these two, right? So q dot append I. Good. So we are done with this part. Now we have created the reverse connections and the initial nodes of the queue. Now while length of queue is greater than 0, that means there's something in the queue. Let's say L is equals to, let's say U is equals to Q0 Q dot pop 0, right? So save U equals to 1. So that means the whatever in the queue, that is a safe array, right? So for I in R U, right? If out degree I equals to 1, if out degree I equals to 0, that means we have gotten 2 and 4. So q dot append I. So we are done with the, so for I in range n, right? If safe I answer dot append I. Now we have to return answer. So yes guys, we have done, what is this? Print R. Let's see. Okay. Written. What is invalid yaar? I have to see the R. Okay. So okay. R equals to nothing, and let's see. Okay, leave it. For k in R, if R k. Okay, so R is nothing but 0 into n, right? If R k equals to 0, that means R k is equals to this. let's run this. It is giving print hours. It is okay. Okay, so for I in R you write. So if R U equals to 0, right? Continue. Let's run this. No, we don't have to print R now. So yes guys, this is getting accepted. Now submit it. So yeah, it is getting accepted. So that's it guys. I hope you understand this solution. I will try to solve this problem with my previous solution, and if it is getting solved, I will upload that also. I will upload this solution in the comment section. So thank you for your time.